Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to share printer on Windows 11 and install the share printer on Windows 11. I am making this video after a lot of trial, so watch the video till the end without skipping. We need to do some setting on server as well as client PC in order to share files and printer between them. First, let's do some setting on the server PC. Right click on network, then click on properties. After this, click on Sense Advanced Settings setting, and in the private network, enable this network discovery files and printer setting. If you want to share files and printer within your network or within your LAN, and enable this network discovery file and printers in public network. If you want to share files and printer beyond your network, or if you want to access files and printer from any part of the world, I will disable this as I want to share files and printer share between my LAN or network. And after this, expand all network and enable this password protect setting. I tried a lot to share files and printer without enabling this password protect setting, but failed to share files and printer. I will share files and printers by enabling this password protect setting. If I found the solution, then I will upload video later in which password protect setting is not enabled. Now, if the network icon is not displayed on your desktop, then you can do the same setting by clicking on Windows, then type Control Panel, then click on View Network Status and Tasks, and click on Sense Advanced Setting. So in this way you can do the same setting the previous one in the previous form. Now let's share the printer. So click on Windows, then type Control Panel, then click on View Device and Printers, then click on Printers and Scanners, then click on the printer which you want to share, then click on Printer Properties, then click on the Sharing tab, then click on Sense Sharing option and check this Share this printer, then click on Apply, then click on OK. If your server doesn't have a password, then create a password. Now let's derive the username for this server PC. So Windows, then type run, then cmd, then type here echo percentage username, then percentage. Then you have to note this username, that is Haridas, which is the username of this server PC or the PC sharing the printer. This is the client PC. Now let's do some setting on this client PC. So click on Windows, then type here credential. After this, click on credential, then click on Windows credential and click on add a Windows credential. In the internet or network address, type the IP address of the server. The IP address of my server is 10.13.215.163 and type the username. Username was Haridas, which is the username which was displayed on the command prompt. Then password of your server or the password of your PC sharing the printer. This is the username which was displayed on the command prompt, and click on OK. Now let's try to access the share printer. So click on Windows, then type run, then /10.13.215.163, then hit on OK. Now the share printer is visible, so right click on the printer icon, then click on connect. In this way we install share printer.